In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a printable checklist in Word. Whether you're organizing your daily tasks, planning an event, or simply trying to keep track of a shopping list, creating a checklist in Word is a fantastic way to stay on top of things. Ironically, the very document we often use for elaborate textual content also offers some nifty tools for list management. And within just 5 minutes, you can have a professional looking checklist ready to print. First, let's open a Word document. Whether it's a new blank page or something you're currently working on, navigate to Microsoft Word and open up your document. With your document open, you're ready to jump right into making your checklist. Now, let's type out your list items. Each item should be typed out on a new line. This step is quite freeing because you can simply jot down everything you need to remember without worrying about layout or format initially. Just think through your tasks or items one by one and write them down, ensuring each has its own line. Once you've listed all your items, it's time to highlight your list. This involves clicking and dragging your cursor over the items to select them. Highlighting them tells Word that we want to apply the next formatting option specifically to these selected lines. It's a small but important step to ensure that your checklist bullets or symbols are only added where they're needed. In this next crucial step, look to the ribbon at the top of your Word interface. Find and click on the Home tab if you're not already there. You'll see various formatting options here. What we need is the bullets drop down, situated right next to the bullet icon. This is where Microsoft Word shines in providing simple yet varied formatting tools to elevate your document. Click on the bullets drop down. You'll see a variety of bullet points you can use. For our checklist, we need to choose a checkbox symbol. Word offers an array of options, including squares and other checkbox symbols that perfectly fit a checklist's needs. Select a simple square or another checkbox that appeals to you visually. Opting for something straightforward keeps the checklist clear and easy to read. And there you go, a custom checklist formatted and ready to print, all within just a few minutes. This method doesn't just make your tasks look organized, it also makes them more accessible and actionable. And when you're ready to mark off completed tasks, a simple pen or pencil will do the trick. Enjoy your organized list, and remember that with these steps, you can create any number of checklists right when you need them. Stay organized and make your tasks more manageable with this handy Word checklist guide.